We're gonna hang this in front of our shop as a signage. There's a huge canvas there. You could put anything there, little, even in front if you want to. There. We're gonna replace this. I'm going to fabricate a new fuel tank made of maybe R10103 or something that is cheaper, because this is very expensive. The resin I've used here is a VE140. That's an imported resin. The shipping alone costs like 5,000 pesos per half a gallon of that resin. So that alone is very expensive, that fuel tank. So I'm gonna fabricate a new one made from the cheap resin that you could buy anywhere here in the Philippines. That's a mold. We're gonna fabricate a new one for that as well, a cheap resin.